Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing the Solana wig from the What Lace Collection. I'm so excited about this wig. So this wig comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb at the nape, adjustable straps, and it has a 13x6 parting space, and the part can be 6 inches deep. So it's pre-plucked, it has natural density, and you don't need to leave any hair out for a leave out. But I left some of my baby hairs out, but you guys will see how I hooked it up. And I picked this wig up from Ebony Line for $48.95. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
Why don't we play something these people like? Drive whips, I know they like. Twister, you told them right. I can make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ass like Kobe wide. We sorta like Goldie, right? The way we mold right. I can make you a celebrity overnight. Why don't we play something these people like? Drive whips, I know they like. Twister, you told them right. I can make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ass like Kobe wide. We sorta like Goldie, right? The way we mold right. I can make you a celebrity overnight.
Y'all, this shit right here, nigga, this right here. Okay, anyway, this is bomb. Now let me tell you what I like about the wig. Okay, number one, the parting is bomb as hell. All I did when I first put the wig on, it was a little puffy, and I didn't want to put mousse or anything on my hair today, so I just went in with my hot comb and just pressed it out. And it looks so good. So what I ended up doing was taking my wig off and using a brush and putting liquid foundation on the parting space. And this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in a color Beautiful Bronze. And it matches so good. I actually put this in my part when I reviewed the Celeste wig, but it just didn't blend as good as with this one. Because the lace, a lot of people were saying it's like transparent, but it looked kind of like yellowish to me. I don't know. But girl, all you gotta do is put you some liquid concealer in it that matches your skin tone and you're good. So that's really not a big deal. Just get some foundation that you like that matches you and just put it in the part and call it a day. That is fine. The curls, I love the curls. The curls are cute. What else? But I am getting, you know, just a little bit of getting caught a little bit. It's long, so it's kind of like it's past my boob, so like this. Excuse my bra. But so you're going to get tangling or whatever with the wig, but nothing major. I don't think anyone else touched on this, but I feel like the wefts, the hair is kind of thin right up here, because I could actually feel like the cap, and in the back right up here. You can't see it, but I can feel it. And I don't know if anybody else touched on that. So that's definitely a con. I know this will tangle after a while. This is definitely like not an everyday wig. It's a special occasion type of wig. And I like this wig. The hair doesn't feel any different than any of the other sensational wigs I've had. It kind of feels like the it's kind of putting me in the mind of the Dashley collection, the Unit 7 hair, when I first put it on, but just slightly thicker. But honestly, guys, I don't have nothing bad to say about this wig. I like this one a lot better than the Celeste one. Number one is it's a 1B, and I love 1Bs. I tried to switch it up and go with color, but like 1B is my go-to. It's more of a style I wear, so liked it off the bat. I was trying to get this wig kind of like in February, because it came out in December, I think, and I couldn't get my hands on it. But now people have moved on to other wigs have came out, so it's easier to get this wig. I did want to get this wig in the chocolate color, but it was sold out, so I had to get the 1B, but that was fine. But yeah, I'll just show you guys the sides, the side and the back, and sum it up. And as far as baby hairs, I cut a little baby hair right here and did a little swoop, but other than this, what you see over here, this is my hair. I'm not that advanced in the baby hairs. I tried this time, y'all, but I started getting hot and getting irritated. And when you know, when you get irritated, you like, that's it, I don't want to do it no more, I ain't got time for this. But anyway, I like this wig. I want to put it to the side. Let me go ahead and do that. A lot of people are saying you don't get a lot of parting space on the side. Yeah, I agree, because most of your parting is in the middle. But a way to fix that, boo-boo, you just take your wig and you shift it to the side, poo. And let me clamp that in there. Not trying to make this video too long. Okay. I want to put all of it. Okay. So, and what we'll do is move that hair out, and we'll, you know, swoop my baby hair. Ooh, I need some edge control right there. I'm gonna do it right to show y'all. So let me go ahead. Let me do it right, poo. This is crazy, because even right now, I don't even need no freaking need to even blend my part, because it looks so freaking good right there. Let me see. And y'all know I love side parts, but I wanted to do it in the middle to show y'all, since that's where you get the most parting space. But baby, girl, wait a minute, check me out. Check me out, boo. I think I probably put it too far over, but you can definitely wear her to the side, and you don't even have to wear all the hair in your face. You can brush her back. You know, I would have to fix this, of course, you know, but you can do it like this. Okay, I had to make sure that looked right. Do her off to the side. Yeah. So the side looks cute too. I actually think I may keep this one in the middle, but I did want to show y'all what it looked like on the side. But guys, I like this wig. I would suggest going to get this one. If you guys want to update, I can do that as well for you all, because I'm going to wear this in about a week to event I'm going to, so I can tell you guys how she holds up outside and when you're moving and you're around folks, so I can tell you guys about that. But I like this one. I've been wanting to try another wig from the What Lace collection, and I think I'm going to try the remaining wigs now, since this one has really sold me and I had a better experience with this one than the Celeste wig. Still a cute wig, but this one, I really like this one. This one's hitting. It's this part, honey. This is part, it's just hitting. I love this one. But yeah, guys, have a great day. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Share this video with your friends. And yeah, that's all for me today. Peace.